Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back my channel. I am Pawan Vani and today we will learn a new topic final location and detailed survey for highway. This is my third part of survey for highway. In that just we see firstly introduction part for the final location and detail survey. The alignment finalized at the design office after the preliminary survey is to be first located on the field by establish the center line. Next, detailed survey should be carried out for collecting the information necessary for the preparation of plans and construction detail for the highway project. Now we see a location survey in detail. The center line of the road finalized in the drawing is to be transferred on the ground during the location survey. This is done using a transit theodolite. Means this instrument is used for the location survey. The main instrument is our transit theodolite, and by stacking on the center line, the location of the center line should follow as closely as practicable. The alignment finalized after the preliminary survey. Major and minor control points are established on the ground and center pegs are driven, checking the geometric design requirements. However, modification in the final location may be made in the field if found essential. The center line stack are driven at suitable interval, say at a 50-meter interval in the plain and rolling terrain and at 20-meter in hill terrain. Now the detail survey. This is again most important part, detail survey. Temporary benchmark are fixed at interval of about 250 meter and at all drainage and underpass structures. Level along the final center line should be taken at all stack point. Leveling work is of great importance as the vertical alignment, earthwork calculation and drainage detail are to be worked out from the level notes. The cross section level are taken up to the desired depth at the interval of 50 to 100 meter in plain terrain, and also rolling terrain in the interval is a 50 to 75 meter and 50 meter in built up area and 20 meter in hill terrain. The cross section may be taken at closer interval, at horizontal curve, and where there is an abrupt change in a cross slope. All river crossing, valley, etc. should be surveyed in detail up to consider distance on either side. All topographical detail are noted down and also plotted using conventional sign. Adequate hydrological details are also collected and recorded. A detailed survey is carried out to enable drawing of the soil profile. The depth up to which soil sampling is to be done, maybe it 1.5 to 3 meter below the ground line or finishing grade line of the road, whichever is lower. Means in that whichever is lower, the lower line is to be selected. However, in case of highway embankment, the depth should be up to a twice the height of the finalized or a finished embankment. The spacing of auger boring very much depend upon the soil type and its variation. So our last, the data during detailed survey should be elaborate and complete for preparing details plan, design and estimate of the project. So my next video is detailed drawing and report, also the estimate of the project or new project. Thank you for listening me and watching this video. Thank you friends, thank you very much.